Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make your text bigger in character.ai. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type character.ai and hit on enter right now. Now as you can see, I have already logged in. If you have not, do log in right now. Now to show an example of how to make our text bigger, I'm simply gonna chat with any one of these characters right here. Initially, our text will be something like this. Now what we want to do to increase the size of our text is type something like this, hash, and type whatever you wish. As you can see, the size of the text has increased. Let's try it again. And there you have it. That's how you increase your text size in character.ai. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you increase your text size in character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.